Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to part 2, a video for beginners into stock market. I hope you have seen part 1. If not, the link is placed above. You can press and see it and then come back to part 2. Friends, how to start investing in stock market? First and foremost is to open a demat account and trading account. It is linked to your savings bank account. Go to any broker like Sher Khan, Way to Wealth, Motilal Oswal, etc. It may take about a week to start an account. Lot of guidance is available in TV programs, websites, newspapers and broking offices. Start buying only after you gain complete knowledge. Do a good research on shares before investing. To give an example, if you are buying a plot, what are the precautions you are taking? You will research about the area, the developer, previous profits made, the legalities, the reputation of the owner of the company, etc. Similarly, the same kind of precautions you have to take for buying the stocks of the companies. Previous profits made, dividends, bonuses issued in the past, the industry, future of the sector, etc. My next question is when to sell the stocks. If you buy today and sell today, it is called intraday trading. If you buy today, hold it for few weeks and months, it is called short term. If you buy and hold it more than 1 year, 5 years, 20 years, etc., then it is called long term. Up to now, we have understood the fundamentals of how to invest, what is shares, how to buy shares, how we can make profits, examples of the companies which made profits in the past, how to become a shareholder, etc. And many of them are available in part 1. Friends, what you should not do in stock market is more important. Don't drive a car without knowing how to drive. If you go fast, you may end up with an accident. Now I'm going to tell you the story of Ram and Shyam. Both are colleagues working in the same company. Salary for both of them is 70,000 per month. Ram spends 30,000 on rent, 10,000 on car EMI, buys a good expensive mobile, finally at the end of the month saves nothing. On the other hand, Shyam also earns 70,000 a month, rents a small house for 10,000, controls all expenditure, saves 35,000 rupees per month, and saved money he invests in mutual fund, stocks and FD. People are appreciating Ram for his great lifestyle and were feeling sad for Shyam. Shyam was also desirous of buying a new car, renting a big house, buying an expensive mobile, etc. But he controlled his mind. He went on telling himself that one day in future he would be able to enjoy his life after multiplying his money. 15 years later, Shyam's money multiplied into a big amount. He quit his job, started his own business. Now he has a big car, lot of employees to work for him, etc. Whereas Ram continues to work for the same company even after 15 years, has almost the same salary, but Shyam made his money work for him because he saved money in the past. My dear friends, I am giving you some important guidelines. Number 1, invest only your savings and surplus money. Number 2, no investment into stock markets from money from borrowed as loan. Third one, understand your risk taking capacity. Fourth one, understand that if invested recklessly, stock market may lead you to a huge loss. Now I am giving you some basic guidelines about age-wise investment strategy in stock market. If you are old and above 52 years, then invest more in fixed deposits. If you are in middle age, then invest in stock market via mutual funds. If you are young and below 35 years, then my suggestion is invest in stocks and preferably large caps for long term. More risk may give you more profits. You have to take the decision by yourself, not from the advice of others. Very important to understand. Generally, a slow starter is better than somebody who drives the car very fast, meets with an accident. So, understand about stock market, go slow. Invest and learn is another important principle in stock market. Many people tell me, Dr. Bharath Chandra, that I will invest in stock market after I fully understand about it. If you have that option, then I got a suggestion. At the 80th birthday, understand, now I know all about stock market. After that, you don't have time to multiply your money. That's why my strong suggestion is you learn as you start investing. You learn more and more as you start investing small sums of money. And stock market is like a sea, you learn by swimming. The better view is invest and learn simultaneously. Invest in a phased manner, invest in other assets also. Friends, attend training programs on stock markets, learn from gurus and experts apart from your self-learning. Select your guru carefully. Don't invest blindly without knowing. First job is to take the demat account. Diversify into various asset classes. Start saving money from first month of salary to take the advantage of magic of compounding. It is a time to take action now. If you find this video useful, then like this video, comment on the benefits you got in the comment section. Finally, share this video to your friends and contacts who too can benefit like you. Friends, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is a time to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get the notification of future videos directly to your mobile. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye-bye.